Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Sunday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we are starting on the peacocks that I got this morning from OneDaySaving, and we are starting right down here in all these this plumage, if you will, and the color is 820. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And I could have swore I had a peacock, what do you call it? Needle thing like that. Yeah. I have no idea where it's at. It could be on a project. Not a clue. So, how's everybody doing? You doing okay? Everybody staying warm and cool if you're in a place where it's hot, I hope. And I know what I forgot to do. Let's bring you down so you can see what is happening. Yeah, there we go. Much better, right? Holy cow. Yeah, it's been a weekend. For the most part, I'm staying inside. Yesterday, I did go over to my daughter's and I went out to the truck stop and I got those personal size pizzas that we like and brought them over to her house. She was by herself because Dad and the kids went someplace, so I figured she just needed lunch and I needed lunch. So went and did that and hung out with her for an hour or so. Watched a little Aquaman. Or at least we tried. And yeah, just kind of hung out for a bit. You need to do that every once in a while. So, I stitched on, gosh, what was it called? That winter one a little bit. And I did get the beaded tiger all in its plastic, you know, the thing that holds all the beads. Got it organized, got it a bag, and lightly started it. It's fine. So, yeah, I didn't start with any background. You can flat out guarantee that much. Oh, holy cow. The only thing with this material is it loves to stick to this mat. One of these days I'll get one of those. What I wish I had was one of those old desk things. I don't know. It seemed like it had a calendar on it or other things, but you could change the month and stuff like that. So I guess it was just kind of a huge desk thing, but I think it might be too big. But if I could find something small, yeah, that would probably work. Something that didn't move around a whole bunch. Yeah. So I think that's about all I stitched on. There was something else I pulled out and went, oh yeah, that's why I don't stitch on that anymore. Yeah, I had a couple of episodes of that. But yeah, just hung out. Didn't get to watch the game because it was on a channel I don't have or didn't subscribe to, that kind of thing. I looked it up at one point and it was going to be like 95 bucks a month and I went, I don't think so. Not in the least. So, yeah, I kind of refused to pay those high prices. But if it's 10 bucks or under, you know, we got that handled. But yeah, it's a little bit much. Oh, goodness. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. It's kind of cold yesterday. I mean, the wind wasn't blowing too outrageously or anything like that, but it's supposed to get cold today, but not that yesterday was warm. Colder tonight and tomorrow night, so we'll see. I will be wearing my wool scarf for sure to work. Yeah, it's kind of become a staple. I love that scarf. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, other than that, I don't know what's going to happen here this weekend, this week, as far as anything going on. Of course, Floss Tube on Tuesdays. That's a given. But no grandiose plans. Haven't ordered anything. I mean, you know, that I personally ordered, shall I say. Not this month. Whoops. I went a little bit too far. So, yeah. We'll just stitch on what we got and go with that. Whoop. Well, that helped a lot, didn't it? Oh my goodness. I think that thread was just a little uneven there. Now, if anybody has any pictures they'd like to share, my email address is in the description box below. So feel free to send me a picture and I'll get it into the latest Stitch With Me. Doesn't have to be cross stitch. It can be any craft that you do. Because I know everybody just doesn't do the same thing. But you're kind of like me. You go back and forth in between all different kinds of other crafts. I gotta get rid of this thread here. Well, be that way, silly Billy. Get rid of that. Put the needle away. Oh, there wasn't a toolkit with this, but I did find, whoops, just one, please. 2 needles attached, you know, on the side. So, I don't know. It was kind of odd, because I always thought Mona Lisa had toolkits, you know, with their kits. So I thought that was a bit strange. I have another uneven thread here. You're killing me, Smalls. But everything seemed to be nice in this kit. I mean, this, well, it wasn't too cheap, was it? No, it was almost a $20 kit, so you'd think that they'd actually put a tool kit in it, unless it fell out for some reason, you know, when I pulled up that thread. But other than that, I only had two needles. It's not like we are short of all the other tools. Because that couldn't happen for a long time. Sometimes I keep the kits with what it came with. Certainly when I send them out, I make sure there's a kit in there, but yeah. people out there banging around. I'm not sure why or what they're doing. I don't really see anybody. Not like I can see a whole bunch from this desk here. There's only one that I can open, you know, open the drapes, because the other one's behind the couch, so it stays shut 90% of the time. Did snow a little bit overnight, but it wasn't even hardly enough to cover the ground. So it didn't say we were going to get like bunches of snow or inches or feet of snow. Not even expecting that. They're just worried about the cold weather. So we'll just keep everything in hyperdrive and move right along. Oh my goodness. This other color is about 2 shades off of that other blue. So we'll see. I have no idea what these other colors are, you know, to match the symbols. But it seems to be pretty, I want to say consistent. Like, the rivers of color, but there's only like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 symbols there. So, not too difficult to stitch. So we will see how it all turns out in the wash. And of course they had to put a pink next to a red. I'm serious. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna have a, what do you call, I didn't make my huevos rancheros this morning, so I may make that tomorrow. I was too tired last night, so I'll make the, you know, the hamburger for the burritos and get that all situated. There should be enough green chili to have burritos one night and huevos one and then burritos again. So we'll just have to see. It just keeps getting higher and higher. I took some, one of my little diamond painting craft things over, you know, like it was keychain ring things. I don't know what else to call them. They weren't, what do you call them, coasters, or they were too small for that. We were going to work on that, but, you know, neither one of us had the energy to do that kind of thing, so I left it there. So if my granddaughter wants to pick it up, they're nice and small, and she can work on them one at a time or whatever. So, fun times. But she likes the little things. She's past the sticker point, you know, because there was a bunch of diamond painted stickers. Yeah, that doesn't do it for her, so that's why I get some of those acrylic, keychains, and I've gotten brooches and all kinds of little knicky-knacks. And her hair's too fine for any of the barrettes. It's kind of like her mother's and my hair. I'd put a bobby pin in my hair and it'd fall out in about 10 minutes. So yeah, she's got that same lovely hair. Come on. We're almost to the end of this thread. I don't know that I can get one more out of that or not. I always take it too far and then I can't get turned back around. There we go. I think we got it. Doesn't look like much. It just kept going and going and going. Get that out of, whoops, you knew I had to hit that at least once. All right, let me get you backed out. There we go. So yeah, all that pink. And then there's the red. I think there's one more symbol in there beyond those two. Maybe even two. But okie dokie, we will just do it a little bit at a time. Just maybe finish that edge. We'll see. Alright guys, thank you all for joining me. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.